All right, we're leaving Richmond Executive, going down to CKI, Charlie Kilo India. That's in Kingstree, South Carolina. Richmond Executive, traffic citation 26 Delta Tango on the round taxiing for departure runway 15. Richmond, Potomac clearance, citation 26 Delta Tango.
26 Delta Tango, Potomac, ready to copy clearance. It'll be a full route.
Yes, sir.
6 Delta Tango, you cleared to the Charlie Kilo India Airport via radar vectors READE. That's Romeo Echo Alpha Delta Echo Drake Delta Romeo Alpha India Kilo Greensboro. That's Golf Sierra Oscar, then direct, maintain 2000, expect flight level 240, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.75, squawk 6510, hold for release.
Okay, 26 Delta Tango, clear radar vectors to READE, then Drake, Greensboro, then we're direct, 2000, 240 and 10, 126.75 on departure, 6510 on the squawk. Holding for release. Runway 15.
6 Delta Tango, read back correct. Advise number 1 ready for departure.
In clearance, 26 Delta Tango, we're ready for departure. Runway 15.
Number 6 Delta Tango, 1 entering source space trajectory to READE, maintain 6000, release departure, clearance void in 5 minutes.
Okay, airspace direct to READE, void in 5 minutes, 26 Delta Tango. Chesterfield traffic, citation 26 Delta Tango, we are departing runway 15, Chesterfield. Alright, heats are on, flaps in, trims 1, 2, and 3. We'll go direct to READE when we get up and going. One, two, 3 clicks. '80s cross. There's V1. Rotate. Deposit rate. Gears up. Go ahead and put yaw damp on. Let's go home. Direct to READE. Put nav. Alright, power's back, flaps up, yaw damp's on. Going to READE, going to departure. And departure citation 26 Delta Tango. We're out of 1100 for 2000, turning direct READE.
26 Delta Tango, Potomac departure, ident, time maintain 12,000, 12,000.
Okay, there's ident, we're up to 12,000, 26 Delta Tango.
26 Delta Tango, radar contact 2 south of Chesterfield, maintain VFR, proceed on course.
Okay, maintain VFR on course, 26 Delta Tango. Alright, gears up, flaps up, going direct to READE, up to 12,000. Let's do a vertical speed. Flight level change, 200. They've given us READE, R-E-A-D-E, Drake, D-R-A-I-K.
049 for NVAs in about 100 miles. You're going to climb up at least up to 8,000. Do you want to do it now or wait till then?
550 will climb 8,000 now.
049, climb maintain 8,000.
And then GSO.
550 Roger.
Greensboro, and and then direct to...
First, good morning, Sky. 2686 uniform, 3000 for 5500. Number 2686 uniform, stomach approach, altimeter 3028. 3028, 86 uniform. 86 uniform, where are you landing? 39er November in New Jersey. Got it.
All right, we're going to climb on up to 240 here in a minute when they give it to us, and head on down toward Greensboro. Pretty country up here. So I'll pick us up then. I'm trying to conserve camera use, so we'll have enough to make it all the way back home. All right, we're 240. They gave us direct now, and we're just back east of Greensboro. Need to wave at ProPilot Pete as we go by. He may be around there somewhere. You can see the weather off in the distance. That's this, and then there's a little bit up ahead near our airport, and that is not going to be a factor.
JetBlue 574, 370.
We got a little bit of a headwind.
CPDLC.
We'll land with 2,170 pounds thereabout. Takes 1,500 to get home, so I'll have close to 700 reserve. VFR should be fine. I like 800, but I'll take 700. There's no fuel at this airport up here, no Jet A, so had to top off, make sure I wasn't above my landing weight landing down here, and then have enough to get home, or else we'd have to stop somewhere. So a little bit of planning went into that, but should be fine. All right, I'll get us on landing. All right, we are 24 miles back from the field. Storm's right there beside the field, but I believe it's moving on to the southwest a little bit, southwest-west. It hasn't got on the field yet, so try to get in there before it hits. If it hits while I'm there, it's fine, but I don't see really a big sail on it yet. I mean, it's a good thunderstorm, but it's maybe it'll let us in. Wind's still calm.
Number 9 to uniform, contact tower 125.1. Have a good day.
Tower 2510, we'll see you in a sec, 92.
Regional Airport.
Number 6 Delta Tango, Kingstree Airport, 10 o'clock in 10 miles.
Okay, as soon as I get past a couple of these clouds, I'll probably cancel with it.
Three 027 remark. Density altitude 1,400. Lightning distant northeast.
Northeast, I don't see no lightning.
Williamsburg Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 1616 Zulu. Weather. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Ceiling 3,200.
Wing 74, you can continue in the northeast, southeast, and southwest quadrants.
Overcast. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 21 altimeter.
Northeast, southeast, and southwest quadrants, wing 74. Thank you.
Number 6 Delta Tango, Kingstree Airport now at your 11 to 12 o'clock in about 10 miles.
I think I have it in sight, but I'm going to hang with you here just a minute.
Number 6 Delta Tango, no problem, just going to maintain 2,000.
Down to 2,000, 26 Delta Tango.
And calm. Visibility 10. Ceiling 3,004.
Yeah, I have the airfield in sight. I'll go ahead and cancel with you.
Number 26 Delta Tango, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR, please approved. Have a good day.
Go on VFR. Thank you, ma'am.
Density.
Williamsburg Airport, Citation 26 Delta Tango. We're northeast 5 miles, inbound landing 14, Williamsburg.
Autopilot. Autopilot.
East. Williamsburg Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 1618 Zulu. Weather. Wind 190 at 3. Visibility 10. Ceiling 3,400. Overcast. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 21. Altimeter 302.7. Remarks. Density altitude 1,400. Lightning distant northeast.
Let's do a little yes turn here and slow down.
Automated weather observation. 1619 Zulu. Weather. Wind 180 at 3.
500.
10. Ceiling
400.
1,400. Overcast. Temperature
Okay,
300.
0 Celsius. Dew point 21. Altimeter
200.
Remarks. Density altitude
100.
1,400. Lightning distant northeast.
All right, so we're going to let one passenger out, and then we'll be back out again. I'm going to have to shut down and get the luggage out of the bag for him. The weather's come up on us, you can see up ahead. This airport is really nice. It's got a good runway, just don't have any Jet A. So I'm going to get him out, get the baggage, get him on his way, and we're fixing to head back to Columbia before the weather gets bad there.
All right, we're going to get out of Williamsburg. We're going to take off, get a clearance in the air, and shouldn't be a problem. We got lighting back to the north now. We're going to take off on 14, turn back to the south, and let them get us on our way, hopefully with no problems. Trims are set. Check our flight controls again. Flaps are 15. Let's turn the heats on. Lights on. Williamsburg traffic, citation 26 Delta Tango, departing 14, be departure back to the south, Williamsburg. I want to stay in this MO area here. It's got a higher base. Go. Speed's live on both. Eighty cross. B1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gears coming up. Alright, power's back, flaps up, y'all down on. Myrtle Beach, citation 26 Delta Tango. And approach, citation 26 Delta Tango.
Citation conference, first say again.
Yes, sir. Couldn't reach Myrtle Beach. I'm off of Williamsburg, looking to pick up IFR to 0 Romeo 0.
Number 26 Delta Tango, are you, is that southbound?
Yes, sir. I'm out of 3600. I'm heading to 30 now.
26 Delta Tango, roger. You're about 15 miles south of my airspace. This is Tri-Myrtle Beach approach on 127.4 again. They might be able to hear you now. You're a little higher.
All right, 27.4 again. Thank you, sir. Myrtle Beach approach, Citation 26 Delta Tango.
Number 26 Delta Tango, Myrtle Beach approach, Myrtle altimeter 3030, stay request.
Need to pick up IFR to 0 Romeo 0.
Number 26 Delta Tango, maintain VFR, looking. Number 26 Delta Tango, maintain VFR, squawk 1636.
Maintain VFR, squawk 1636, 26 Delta Tango.
Number 26 Delta Tango, say destination.
0 Romeo 0, Columbia, Marion County.
Number 26 Delta Tango, radar contact 7 miles southwest Kingstree Airport. Clear to 0 Romeo 0 via as filed. Climb maintain 10,000 and expect flight level 360 within 10 minutes.
Okay, we're up to 10,000, 360 and 10, 26 Delta Tango.
26 Delta Tango, reback correct when able, direct destination and contact Jacksonville Center 134.37.
13437, 26 Delta Tango, thanks.
Brickyard 4533.
Brickyard 3436, contact Washington Center 124.02, good day.
12402,
Brickyard 3436, good day.
Damage at 821, maintain flight level 200.
Jacksonville Center, Citation 26 Delta Tango, 9.7 for 10,000.
Citation 26 Delta Tango, Jacksonville Center, maintain 15,000, Columbia altimeter 3037.
15,000, 3027, 26 Delta Tango, thanks.
American 1452.
Perfect.
Stock car.
Stock car for 14.
Dome lights. Everything's going good. Okay. Clear skies for the time being. We got to make up about 1,500 pounds of fuel. We're minus 650 now. Got a shade of a tailwind. Supposed to have about a 15-knot tailwind. All right, update. We're out of 35. We're going through 33.4. Weather's still knocking at Columbia's door there, but I think it's moving more to the west. So, you see the blue flag, still got good weather there. So we're about 20 minutes out, 144 miles, maybe it'll hold up till we get there. So we can get landed. We're doing 415 knots across the ground, true in 403. Been a pretty smooth flight. A little chop here and there, but nothing bad. All right, I'll get us when we get a little closer.
18 inches of mercury, remarks, density altitude 1800.
7.
So what I'm doing, I'm making a 360 here and then go get under the clouds there and go on into Columbia.
Final traffic, I'll get 536 airtails on a 2-mile final for the ramp, right up.
Down where I can see the rain and they held me up so high.
Inches of mercury, remarks, density altitude 1800. Columbia Marion County Airport. Automated weather observations 1824 Zulu. Wind 150 at 9er knot. Peak gust 16 knots. Visibility 9er. Sky condition scattered at 3,500. Scattered at 4,400. Temperature 8 Celsius. Dew point 2 Celsius. Altimeter 30. 18 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 1800.
Columbia, Marion County traffic, citation 26 Delta Tango. We are 10 miles to the northeast, inbound landing 23 Columbia.
Match traffic, Bonanza 6135 Charlie, 7 to the south, 1,900 on the RNAV 31. Stay a low approach, Natchez traffic.
Traffic, cab 1633 is 5 miles from the northeast. Going to make a left downwind. We're out of
1900. Columbia, Marion County Airport. Automated weather observation 1826 Zulu. Wind 150 at 9er knots. Peak gust 15 knots.
Williamsburg, Bobby Chain Pipeline, 37 Golf. We're about 4.5 to the northwest of the field, trying to get southwest bound. Thought I heard traffic inbound for 13 at Bobby Chain.
Columbia, Marion County traffic, citation 26 Delta Tango, 5 miles northeast, landing runway 23 Columbia.
3 miles southwest, intercepting high key runway 8.
Flaps 35. 3 green.
Cessna blue and red. 3 miles to the east of the field at 1500.
Had to gear down way early so we could descend on down because they held us up too high.
Bobby Chain traffic, white and blue Saratoga, descending out of 2000 on a 2.5 mile final runway 13 full stop, Bobby Chain.
See what it's doing.
1828 Zulu. Wind 150 at 10 knots. Peak gust 16 knots. Wind variable between 130 and 190. Visibility 9er. Sky condition
Variable
at 3,400.
Couldn't imagine that.
Scattered at 4,004.
500.
Final traffic, cab 1633 is
400.
runway 18, final traffic.
300.
All right, 3 green, pounding clean.
200. 100.
Have a left quarter and headwind. Crosswind, I mean. Yeah, I think the smoothest of landing. All these storms around here's got that wind whirling in those
3,000.
But anyway, thank you, Lord, for a safe flight and letting us make it in. Turn the heats off.
2,000.
I'll let it go then, so I won't be riding these brakes so much.
One thousand.
Do, 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 do.
500.
Don't look like much wind, but not in those trees. It's fairly strong. Columbia, Marion County traffic, citation 26 Delta Tango, we're clear the active taxi around Columbia. All right, folks, I'm going to taxi in here and put her up, see what the plan is later. So, y'all have a good day. God bless. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.